Earlier today, I spoke to one of the jurors from the trial. They described the deliberation as a long and at times contentious process. And at one point, someone brought up the possibility of a hung jury. Despite everything, the juror told me that they all walked away knowing they did the right thing and were glad to be able to provide some measure of justice. After nearly a week of deliberations, Johnny Tercios was found guilty this morning on 3 of 11 charges over the shooting death of 2-year-old Jeremy Poe Caceres. Jeremy and his mother, Rosa, were caught in the crossfire of a shootout while they were walking in Langley Park last February. Although Rosa survived her wounds, Jeremy was pronounced dead at the nearby hospital. After the verdict was announced, Assistant State's Attorney Daniel Kim walked through the steps of presenting the state's case.
Parts of the case that are probably more straightforward, such as the facts of the case, the who, what, and when and where. Then we get to the legal theories that we have to then apply to those facts. And in this case, some of those legal theories included transferred intent and accomplice liability.
2 theories that may have troubled the jury. In court, Kim argued that even though Tercios and his accomplices didn't go to Langley Park intent on killing Jeremy, his intent to kill others still makes him responsible. One juror spoke off camera, saying the jury struggled to accept that argument, since no evidence showed Tercios firing the gun that killed Jeremy. In the end, although he was not found guilty of murder, Tercios was found guilty of second-degree attempted murder, conspiracy to commit murder, and illegal possession of a firearm.
Might not always agree with everything that a jury decides on as to what counts they decide to find guilt on, but in this case, I can certainly guess why they did.
Tercios' sentencing is scheduled to take place in September. Based on the charges, he faces a maximum penalty of life plus 44 years in prison. His lawyer says he plans to appeal the verdict. Meanwhile, the trial of his accomplice, Israel Fuentes Jr., is scheduled to begin next January. From the Prince George's County Courthouse, Lionel Donovan, WUSA 9.